This month, your mission is to discover the cutest manicures in the universe. Explore the astral planes with this limited edition nail designs of interstellar scenes, cute cosmic expressions, and a few friendly locals. And the next plate I have here is MXM082. This plate sends our most qualified space cadets out to see the elusive pie in the sky and to finally taste a flying saucer of the Milky Way. Next, we'll be moving on to our 2 early release stamping polishes. We're gonna start off with Cosmo, this beautiful color shifting deep blue with shadowy gray tones. And next we have Stellar. So this is a lavender purple with smooth true gold micro shimmers. And for the finale, ta-da! You will get a new mini Kitty Stellar sticky stamping station. Definitely have to subscribe if you like what you see here, because once we sell out and we don't offer it again.